of it. Okay, we need to do that fast. Okay. I'll pour some water for you. Okay. Oh, I think it's working, right? Oh no, it's not. Okay, hold your breath. Phew, I think it's working. Oh, no. Okay, the third trick, we need to take a blow. Blow it. Okay, it's enough. I think it's working, right?
Now I'm feeling better.
Oh, yay! Guys, please drink plenty of water and subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon. Bye.
Bye.
Have a nice day.